If one state quietly shaped the crypto market in South India in 2025, it was Tamil Nadu. Interestingly, Tamil Nadu is not the richest state in the region. It also does not have the youngest population. Yet, when it comes to cryptocurrency trading, the state is clearly leading the way. According to some media reports, India's third largest crypto exchange, Tamil Nadu, has the highest number of crypto traders and the biggest trading volume in South India. The data is based on 1.2 million users of GeoTas between January and December 2025. Among the five southern states, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, Tamil Nadu alone accounts for nearly 70% of all crypto traders. That means more traders from Tamil Nadu than the other four states combined. The difference between even bigger when we look at the trading volume, clearly placing Tamil Nadu at the center of South India's crypto market. What makes this even more surprising is that income is not the main reason behind this dominance. In fact, Tamil Nadu's per capita income is lower than states like Telangana and Karnataka. But the data shows that income has very little connection with crypto trading activity. Instead, another factor plays a major, bigger role: urbanization. Tamil Nadu has the highest urbanization rate among the five states at about 48.4%. Because more people live in cities than have better access to internet, digital platforms, and financial technology. So in this case, access seems to matter more than wealth. Explaining this trend, Vikram Subburaj, CEO of Geotas, said, what stand out in Tamil Nadu's data is that depth of participation. The state combines high urban access with a large base of active traders. This means activity is not driven by a few large accounts, but by widespread engagement. That kind of participation is what typically turns a market from occasional experimentation into a regular financial habit. In simple terms, crypto trading in Tamil Nadu is not controlled by a few big investors. Instead, a large number of ordinary users are actively participating. When we look at investor behavior, the numbers tell us an interesting story. Around 81.5% of crypto users in Tamil Nadu are active traders. Only 18.5% are long-term holders. This means most investors prefer buying and selling frequently rather than simply holding crypto for years. This also shows that the market here is more risk-taking and fast-moving. Kerala also has many active traders, but the overall trading volume there is much smaller. Tamil Nadu stands out because trading happens frequently and on a much larger scale. Another important point is liquidity. Tamil Nadu records the highest fiat deposit per customer and also the highest crypto withdrawal per customer among the five states. This suggests the investors in the state are comfortable entering the market and also confident when exiting it. In other words, people are not just investing and waiting, they are actively moving their money in and out of the crypto market. Meanwhile, in states like Karnataka, many investors prefer to hold their crypto for the long term instead of trading frequently. All these factors together show why Tamil Nadu has become the leading crypto market in South India. It's not about being the richest state, it's about access, participation, and a strong culture of active trading. And that combination is what has quietly turned Tamil Nadu into South India's crypto powerhouse.